Hey, what's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this tutorial. This is gonna be 9 Crimes by Damien. Let me play it for you. Leave me out with the way. This is not letting that. It's the wrong kind. Pretty much goes like that throughout the whole song. Okay, so let me show you exactly how I play it. We're going to be using this PDF that I created. You can go download that for free. Well, at the moment for free. And then you can go from there. So we're using this E minor 9, which is the most beautiful chord. Well, one of the most beautiful chords. And then we're going to this C. But I'm not putting the first finger down as in the diagram. I'm taking it off to make it like a C2. C sus2 thing. And then I'm going just to a G, but I'm not worrying about the high strings because I'm just picking the bass strings. And then with a D, I'm actually just going to this D. It comes from this D, but we're just doing one finger. Okay. And the picking pattern that I use is this picking pattern for the E minor. Or you could do the thumb on the first 2 strings. And then on the other chords, I use this pattern. So E minor, straight down, C just like 3 strings up and down. But always 4 notes per string. Okay, so then you have the main progression just going like this. And if you want to strum it, you need to put full of chords and then just do this down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. This makes me think of that song from. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. And then you just kind of repeat this whole thing. You play the intro, same chords. Now the chords that I notated here are just E minor, but you can do the E minor 9 when you're picking. When you're strumming, just use your regular E minor. Leave me out with the way this is not what I do. It's the wrong kind of place to get a view. Is that alright? Sorry, I skipped along to the chorus, but you get the idea. It just keeps on going like that throughout the whole song. And what you can also do is for the D, you can substitute a B minor to make it cooler. That's how I play my B minor, especially for this indie type of music. Alright guys, that's it. I don't think there's anything else more of the song. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I really like it if people comment on my videos. It helps the algorithm, plus it just helps me kind of learn what you guys like and what you don't like from this video, because I'm pretty new at this and I want to make it the best tutorials ever. So have a nice day. Cheers. Is that